Poetry introduction. Dear readers, welcome back. How are you? Are you centered, feeling, thinking, believing, or acting? Distance learning, think to self, and in person we'll have a quick circle share. Here's your video. Do you remember reading or hearing a song, rap, or poem? Chunk into pieces. How does the following poem look different than a novel? Short sentences, few words, question mark, anything you want to add. Look different than a novel. Long sentences, many words. So novels are long sentences and many words. Okay, check out the images that give hints about the poem. Morning, afternoon, evening. Somebody's watching a mountain. Here is a poem by Matsuo Basho. Morning and evening. Someone waits at Matsushima. One-sided love. Readers, why is someone waiting all day, but the love interest is never coming? Because it is a spoiler alert. Cover the answer below. Look back at the poem. Why is someone waiting for someone who never comes? Because it is a... Go ahead and read the following. It's a one-sided love. They didn't come because they didn't love them back. If this happens to you in real life, take some alone time to be sad and then find someone else who gets you. This poem is a haiku, about 5 syllables on the first line, 7 on the second, and 5 on the third. It's so short and it says so much. Review, reflect on this poem. How does this poem make you feel? Or are you impressed by the author, telling so much in so few words? Did you see a movie in your mind when you read it? When I think about Morning and Evening by Matsuo Basho, I choose feel, remember, visualize, think, and then fill in what you think or feel. All right, homework. I posted this homework before MCA, so you do not need to reread it if you already read it. I'm sharing the same information in case someone missed this homework. To get ready for Wednesday's community building, find something to share with us. Look around your house and find 3 things that represent you, things that are important to you, things that can tell a story, you can tell a story about, things that you made yourself. Then narrow it down to one thing and bring it to class Wednesday or Thursday, or upload a picture to the assignment. It'll be great to take some time to build community so when we have questions or problems, we know each other a little better. Thank you for your efforts, Dr. Stacker, Miss Rollins.